Hi everyone, today I am going to present healthcare product development, ethical issues, vaccine development and distribution. Now see the introductions. Vaccines are crucial tool in preventing infection diseases and promoting public health. However, the vaccine development and distribution raises several ethical concerns. Its presentation will explore some ethical issues in vaccine development and distribution. Now see the importance of vaccine. First, vaccine have saved countless lives and prevented widespread suffering. Vaccines are vital tool preventing infection disease and promoting public health. Next, informed consent. Informed consent is a fundamental principle model in ethical skills. Ethicals. The vaccine developer and distributor must ensure the individual understand the risk and benefits of vaccinations. Next, vulnerable population. A certain population, such as children, pregnant women, and immunocompetent individual, may be vulnerable to vaccine-related risk. Ensuring that the vaccines are safe and effective these populations. Protecting this pollution from the exploitation or corrosions. Now see the distribution and access. Vaccines are very often shortly supplied, particularly in low-income countries. Ethical consideration here, ensuring the fair and equitable distribution of vaccine and prioritizing vulnerable population in vaccine distribution. Next, intellectual property and patient issues. Patent issue is a intellectual property rights can limit to vaccine, particularly in a low-income countries. Vaccine hesitancy and mystification. Vaccine hesitancy and mystification can undetermine the public health effect. Here, ethical consideration is addressing misinformation and promoting accurate information. Next, balancing the need to promote public health with the need to respect individual anatomy. Global coordinator and corporation. Here, the vaccine development and distribution require the global coordination and cooperation. It is most important, ensuring the global policies and guidelines priority public health and fairness, encouraging the international cooperation and collaboration. Now, ethical framework. Here, utilitarianism is first, prioritizing the greatest good for greatest number. Deontology, emphasizing the more rules and duties. Visual ethics, focusing on the character and normal virus. Care ethic, prioritizing the empathy and care of vulnerable pollutions. Case study COVID-19 vaccine distribution. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the need of equitable vaccine distribution. Here, the variety of challenges will be produced, ensuring the fair and equitable distributions of vaccine globally, addressing the vaccine hesitancy and misinformation. Here, challenges in vaccine development, ensuring the vaccine safety and efficacy, addressing the emerging and infectious disease, balancing the individual rights and public health needs. Finally, the role of regulatory agency. Regulatory agency are plays a crucial role in ensuring the vaccine safety and efficacy. Ethical consideration, ensuring the regulatory agency priorities in a public health and safety, balancing the regulatory oversight with the need for invention and access to vaccines. Now, Regularity Affairs Department. Regularity Affairs Department. First, quality control, quality assurance, production, research and development, medical device, packaging and raw material department. Now, transparency of important. Transparency is essential in vaccine development and distribution. Ethical consideration, ensuring the vaccine developer and distributor provide accurate and unbiased information. Promoting transparency in a vaccine trials and distribution. Next, vaccine nationalism. Vaccine nationalism can undermine the global public health effort. Ethical consideration, ensuring the vaccine distribution and priority global public health leader. Promoting the international cooperation and collaboration. Role of technology. Technology can play a crucial role in vaccine development and distribution. For example, mRNA vaccines, digital vaccine record a vaccine tracking system. Next, future directions. Developing a more effective target vaccine, improving vaccine and distribution vaccines, enhancing global coordination and cooperation. Recommendation. Ensuring the fair and equality of distribution of vaccine globally. Priority vulnerable population in a vaccine distribution. Promote the accurate information and address misinformation. Encourage the international cooperation and collaboration. Call to action. We must work together to address the ethical challenges in vaccine development and then distribution. By prioritizing the public health fairness, we can promote global health and well-being. Conclusion. Vaccine development and distribution raises a complex ethical issue. Balancing the public health and individual rights require the careful consideration and ongoing dialogue. By prioritizing fairness, transparency, and respect for the individual anatomy, we can promote public health and protect the vulnerable population. Thank you.